You might think your daily habits are harmless, but after 55, even the smallest routines can silently speed up aging. Things you've done for years may now be draining your energy, damaging your skin, and weakening your heart. Stay with me, because just a few simple changes can help you look younger, feel stronger, and live longer. How many of these habits do you think you might be doing right now? Let's find out. After 55, our metabolism slows, our cells repair more slowly, and inflammation becomes a silent enemy. What once worked in your 30 seconds or 40 seconds might now cause fatigue, weight gain, or memory fog. However, there is good news. Aging fast isn't inevitable. It's influenced by daily habits we can control. 10. Skipping breakfast. When you skip breakfast, your body stays in a stressed, low-energy state. This leads to an increase in cortisol, known as the aging hormone, which slows the metabolism and causes cravings for sweet snacks later. A balanced breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats keeps your hormones steady and your skin glowing. Add Greek yogurt, berries, or oatmeal to your morning routine. 9. Sitting too long. Sitting for hours damages your circulation and weakens muscles. Even standing up every 30 minutes helps your body move nutrients and oxygen more efficiently. Walk during calls and stretch gently every half hour. Staying up late. Your body repairs itself during deep sleep. Staying up past midnight reduces collagen production and increases inflammation. Over time, it can age your brain and skin. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep and reduce blue light an hour before bed. 7. Too much sugar in morning drinks. Even one sugary drink in the morning spikes your blood sugar, causing an energy crash and faster cellular aging. Switch to unsweetened coffee, green tea, or lemon water instead. 6. Neglecting morning hydration. Dehydration makes your skin dull, thickens your blood, and slows your digestion. Seniors often confuse thirst with fatigue, so start your day with a big glass of water. 5. Not getting sunlight. Morning sunlight resets your circadian rhythm, boosts mood, and helps produce vitamin D, essential for strong bones and immunity. Without it, your body clock drifts, and energy drops. And day, 10-15 minutes of sunlight, before 10 a.m. 4. Eating too many processed foods. Processed foods cause inflammation that speeds up joint pain, wrinkles, and heart stress. Replace them with real foods, fresh vegetables, olive oil, and lean protein. 3. Ignoring strength exercise. After 55, we lose 1–2% of muscle mass every year. Without strength training, this loss accelerates weakness and poor balance. You do not require a gym. Simply use resistance bands or light weights 2 to 3 times per week. 2. Chronic stress and overthinking stress releases cortisol, which breaks down collagen. The protective ends of your DNA, known as telomeres, are produced less frequently and are shorter. Deep breathing, prayer, or meditation for 5 minutes daily can help reverse that damage. 1. Skipping morning movement. The first 10 minutes after waking are powerful. Movement improves blood flow, wakes up the brain, and sets your body's tone for the day. Try a few stretches or a short walk. Your joints will thank you. According to research from Harvard and the National Institute on Aging, small daily routines have a profound effect on how fast our cells age. Studies indicate that even 15 minutes of movement, balanced meals, and better sleep can reduce age-related decline by 30%. Making a change is always possible. Whether you're 55 or 75, your body is incredibly resilient. With a few mindful adjustments, you can wake up feeling lighter, stronger, and more alive. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who deserves a longer, stronger life. Please remember to subscribe. Your journey to healthy aging starts here. In our next video, 7 superfoods that help you reverse aging after 60. You won't believe what number 3 can do for your heart.